Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and like the video as well. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing the WeatherTech floor mats. They sell them for all different types of cars. Mine is a 2023 Jeep Compass Latitude. I just have the Simpsons one in the meantime, but I just wanted to show how it looks like before I put them on. They should cover a wider area. You can see on the other side as well. And I also bought them for the middle rows here. So it should cover this part here, this portion that doesn't show anything. So let me get them out of the box and then install them and show how they are installed so you can see how they look like. Okay, for those interested in the packaging, they just come in a big box like this and pack them inside. You can see them here. I'm just going to take them out, and you can see how they're kind of curved to protect the sides of the vehicle carpet and everything. So I just want to show how they look like after they're installed so you can see how it is and then see how it looks like. Okay, so in the instruction manuals they do say to remove all carpets, including the factory carpets, as you can see here. And in my vehicle they have this type of retaining system, like I guess to snap it in place. And the new ones come, you can see there's those two there. And you can tell what side goes to what side because the side that says WeatherTech should be facing the outside of the vehicle. So let me go ahead and put it in. I wish I had another person recording, but I'm going to show how it is and then I'll snap them in place so you can see. Okay, so I already snapped one in and I just wanted to show how it is on this one. I guess you probably do need two hands, but it snaps in. You can hear it snap. That one is in place. I just got to do this one, but you do need two hands. And you can see here, I'm going to charge my cell phone because the flashlight just died on me. But I'm going to show real quick. I'm just going to cut the video right now and then charge it real quick to show how it looks like. Okay, so here are the floor mats installed. And like I mentioned before, the side that says WeatherTech is always facing the outside of the vehicle for the front too. And you can see here, it's molded to the shape of your vehicle. In this case, it's my car. And let's see how the back one looks. Okay, the ones in the back don't have that WeatherTech branding, but you can tell it's the one from the back because it has this portion here that covers it and it'll only fit one way. And you can kind of see how far back it goes. I have the seat in the front pulled all the way to the back, so but you can see how far it goes, and it gives you that little protection in case you do spill something or drop something, and it should keep your vehicle carpet very clean and nice. So I'm going to go to the front right now and show that one. Okay, you can see here also the WeatherTech branding faces the outside of the vehicle. And these things here, they snap on. I couldn't do it with one hand, but with two hands you just find that little post and it'll snap right on both of them to keep it in place. And you can see here, the one in the front, it does have like that pedal rest. I wish it would have covered it a little bit more. Maybe they do that just so you can see where you put your foot on, but you can see here in the back how it goes. It covers pretty good. And then of course they're always mentioned to make sure it's not, you know, covering the floor pedals, which is very simple to do. So let me know what you think about the video, about the product as well. In this case, like I said, this one is for my vehicle. I just bought them brand new and I wanted to take care of the carpet of the vehicle. But questions, comments, you know, anything, you know, send it in. Don't forget to like the video, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to Robert's Video Machine. And I will be doing a separate video, so subscribe. And this is a walk around of my new vehicle. This is a 2023 Jeep Compass Latitude 4x4. I may be doing a walk around and then showing a lot of the features of the vehicle. Thank you.